Okay everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to update, update one of these Elephone P9000 phones. I'm having a problem in the camera for this one that it does not record sound, so I'm gonna upgrade it from Android 6.0 to 7.0. And first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna press power button plus volume up, and you're gonna press that until the logo appears. Once the logo appears, you let go both buttons, and as you see now, you are in the boot menu. Oh, but this is not the first thing, this is the second thing. First thing, and very important, is to back up all your data. Back up everything. After you've done that, I've done it previously, so just press power button and volume up key until the logo appears. When it appears, just do it as I did now. You'll be prompted up with this screen, and then you're gonna, using the up and down volume keys, you're gonna navigate in here, and you're gonna go to wipe data factory reset, and you're gonna press power button to say enter, and then you're gonna navigate down again to yes, delete all user data, and press it again, and it's working. It is formatting everything. Okay, data wipe complete. After you've done this, just navigate again on that menu, go to wipe cache partition, and press power button again, which is the enter, and it will say formatting data wipe complete. After this, just select power off, focus, sorry about the focus on this, and just select power off to turn off the phone. Okay, and it shuts off. After this, go to your PC, and this now is the tricky part where I'm gonna be trying to mess up with stuff and showing you. Okay, once you go to your computer, there are a couple of softwares you gotta have. First of all, you gotta have SP drivers installed in order for the phone to connect to your PC. Probably you already had that installed if you used to connect your phone to your PC. Then you're gonna need SP Flash Tool version 5.1624. Then you're gonna need Elephone P9000 7.0 ROM, and MAUI Meta, which is for later installing IMEI back into the phone. So I've extracted all this, and right now what I got here is I got my Flash Tool carpet, and so when I click focus, when I click flash on that one, it brings me here, and then I'm gonna click Flash Tool executable, and the program will pop off. First time you open this, you won't see all this information in green here, so you're gonna go to your download agent, you're gonna click it, and then on you gotta search what you got on your, you gotta search the place where you've extracted your SP Flash Tool, which is on my desktop, and then I'm gonna go to the SP Flash Tool carpet, and I'm gonna select MTK all-in-one DA bin, and select this for my download agent. Then you're gonna go to scatter loading, you're gonna click there, and you're gonna go again to your desktop, and this time into the carpet where you have the Elephone software, and you're gonna select MTK 6755, and okay, it was added to the program. Now you're gonna come here where it says download only, and you're gonna select format all plus download, and you got everything here all selected, all things are selected. Now you're just gonna hit download. Once you hit download, connect your phone to the computer, and remember that the phone is powered off, so you're gonna connect it to the computer. I'm trying to do things with just one hand, as always it is tricky. So phone off, connected to the computer. Okay, it's connected, and once it is connected, you got a message, and it's supposed to start. And there you go. As you plug in the phone to your USB, this bar starts working, and information is being uploaded to the phone. So let it go to the end, and once it's finished, I'll show you where to go. Okay, just wait till the download is complete. When it says this here, download OK, it means it finished. Just close that and close the program, and now disconnect the phone from your PC and just turn it on. And it's probably going to take a while for the first start. It's starting. Recording. And there you go. Okay, and there we go, welcome, and you got the phone with a new software. Okay, now let me just show you guys. Let me just show you guys about this phone. Android version 7.0, so it is upgraded. Okay, it is upgraded. Okay, Android 7.0, tap it a couple times and there you go. See? Now there's one thing. After doing this, if you press this one and this one and 0, 6 and this one again, there you go. These are the IMEI numbers for your two SIM cards, so we're gonna have to change that. Okay, to change that we're gonna use a software which is MAUI Meta. So I'm gonna extract that into my desktop. I'm gonna extract that, and it's extracted already, so I got it there. Open it. I gotta extract this one again. Okay, once you got the MAUI Meta installed, you just once you got it extracted, you gotta install it. Once you have it installed to your computer, you're gonna double click it to start the program. Once the program starts, as we got here right now, you gotta make sure that on options you got only preloader port selected. You gotta make sure that smartphone is selected, and that here on this side you got USB COM connect selected. After this you're gonna hit reconnect. After you hit reconnect, having the phone switched off, remember the phone was switched off again. I've turned it off. You're gonna plug it to the USB port. Once you plug it to the USB port, you're gonna wait a little while to the point the program, look, the phone is powering on by itself, and then the program should recognize the phone in a little while. Okay, make sure you use the same USB port you've used before, and there we go. After this window pops off, you're gonna go to after that window pops off, you're gonna close it, and then you're gonna go to action and open NVRAM database, and it says that it can load. You're gonna click yes, and then you gotta okay, and then you're gonna go to the place where you've extracted the software, which in my case is this carpet on my desktop, where you got the Android 7.0, and you're gonna have this file, which is info costume. You're gonna select that, and after you've selected in action, after you've opened the NVRAM database and you've selected the right database, okay, click OK on these and go to the info costume. It is connected with the phone. Now you're gonna come here to this window and you're gonna choose it. Usually it's here, but you're gonna choose IMEI download, and this window will pop off. And as you see right now, it already knows that you got two SIM cards on this phone. So at this moment you're gonna select SIM 1, and you're gonna need your Elephone P9000 box, and you got your IMEI numbers here, 1 and 2, and so you just go to 1 here where it says IMEI, just dial in the numbers, and once you got it dialed, click download to flash, and then go to number 2, put the second IMEI and click download to flash, and I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, after you've done that, close the program, disconnect your phone from your computer, it will shut off, and then just turn it on. And once you got it turned on, you'd simply, if you go here again and you click these numbers and then this one again, it will show you your IMEI numbers same as the ones in the box, and after that, that's it. You got your phone flashed and ready to go with the brand new Android. Just give it a go. If you like this kind of video, if this helps, any questions or comments, place them below the video, and click like and subscribe. I'm always up for this kind of stuff, okay? See ya.